Gusto mo ba ng konting sweetness lang pero rich, fluffy, and slightly toasted flavor? So tara gawa tayo ng homemade pancake for merienda or breakfast. Let's get started. Sa isang bowl, paghaluin ang harina, baking powder, sugar, and salt and mix very well. Sa isang lalagyan, maglagay ng milk, vanilla extract, at large egg. I-mix natin hanggang well incorporated. Then, pwede na nating ilagay ang milk mixture sa dry ingredients. Gradually lang ang paglagay for easy mixing. I-mix natin hanggang wala ng buo-buo na harina. Takpan natin at iparest ng 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, i-mix muna natin at magpainit na ng pan, pahira ng oil or cooking spray. Kapag mainit na ang oil, maglagay na ng mixture according sa size na gusto mo at lutuin hanggang mag-golden brown each sides. Just continue the process sa remaining mixture. Best serve po ito ng mainit-init pa tapos with your favorite butter and your choice of jam or fresh fruit like strawberry. So tara, kainan na!